what they call life wire, too much money, excess money.
Sabina! Listen, I hear they hide, Abi. Now here you dey since.
Calm down now, let me understand. What is the problem? What's going on?
Okay, this guy don't owe me money for over 2 years now. 50,000 naira. Which kind of wickedness with that one?
Oh, wow.
Need to pay my money.
People on a day, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back to another episode of my comedy reaction. Make sure you stick to the very end because what you're about to witness now is the best of comedy. You understand? So while watching, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're here to subscribe, and drop nice comments while watching, and make sure to share this video. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's go have some fun.
Me, I like fine girls.
No be good, it's good. Moscow! This one when you hold one. Your birthday don't pass now. What are we celebrating?
When I won't get away from my house, the girl say that wine she wondering. I gotta go buy wine.
This kind of talk now they like early in the morning. Your bed will suffer. Jesus.
See, that won't be the problem. You see this girl on her period. I should never tell me that she don't have period before she come.
You don't talk. Get you on her period.
She don't have
You see go buy wine. Wow. You don't want me?
I got entertain now, and I visit on her.
If no business, I know you reach out. I'm supposed to give you blow for this talk. Get out there on her period. See go buy wine.
Let's see she dey wait. I don't later.
Can you see?
If you see this girl, you could take any reason.
Take on her momo.
Fine girl, you want me like fine girl.
I'm finna good. Fine girl.
Hello.
On a later package.
Oh my God.
Package? What package? I don't know what you're talking about, sorry.
You don't know where it's package. Which kind of package with that? But you know red wine. Stop, why you get it?
Actually, it's my first time coming to see him. So besides, I'm on my period. And I told him next time.
Oh.
Next time.
Next time.
What if what later in? Wait, yes.
Moscow, calm down. What's the worry you now?
Wait till me calm down. You know the head is now I want you no clear they form in Brodda. Why they do like this? You know how much they said that one when you go back. Like now fear they your mind. You dey fear to speak up. We go speak up for you. Wait.
What's going on here?
Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
I don't know if pure water don't cost too. But take. Take your.
Why are you giving me water?
Exactly. Go wash up. On a fee package.
Oh my God.
You cancel the ride. Drama. They go house. Walk down close.
Moscow, wash waiting.
Who goes to that question? What did you ask me for? I just want to talk to you.
Moscow,
Let's go watch it here.
Get out of my way. How can I give you 70,000 naira? Only 70,000 naira to go and buy food stuff for the house. Minimum wage. You're telling me it's not enough. Eh? My mother used to cook a pot of soup with 1,200 naira. Eh? 1, 2. Yes. Okra, 100 naira. Red oil, 50 naira. Maggi, 20 naira. Pepper, 100 naira. Bonga fish, 150. With 50 liters of water.
Jesus.
The one that when you put this in water,
Yeah,
you
it's
have to
1,000.
Rachaya, you're telling me.
Nedu things don't cost now. Don't be like before again.
Yeah, give me the money. I'll manage it. I should give you the money. You will manage it. I don't negotiate with terrorists. Read my lips. I will go to the market myself.
Don't beg him again. Very wicked man.
Oh yeah, go now. Go buy them by yourself.
Woman, no. On the sofa.
Go market by yourself.
Woman, no.
She's in her play.
Bye, bro.
When I want to explain it, my head will be head.
No, how much we take by this thing.
Things are very expensive. Oh. You don't know, come on now. Even minimum wage, you cannot even wage somebody.
Okay, you don't see it.
I be the day cheating me.
Me, I like fine girls.
I be there cheating.
You want my
Nobody cheats you. Let's go, I beg.
Madam, what can I do you now?
Which you never do. When you go to tell people about more money online banking?
And I mean they tell them about more money online banking.
Don't download them.
I suppose download that. But see what's not there. You know they use this camera phone now. I don't get camera phone, but I get the account too. But I don't get camera phone. What do you want?
I won't to enjoy the financial benefits without camera phone.
I'm telling you.
The financial benefit.
Yes.
Talk true. You don't know when you download it, they get daily interest.
They don't tell me that one. No.
Your account go to increase.
It
I no get camera.
Now I tell you even open this my shop.
Jesus.
Now I register am. Or with more money online banking.
If you register your business, it's more money online banking. They don't tell me, oh.
So people will get camera phone. People will get camera phone. They don't know what God don't do for them.
Don't worry. All of us for this area, we know say you no get phone. Now make me and my husband, we buy you phone. Take it. Go enjoy your financial freedom.
Oh, man. Never have phone.
Let's have it.
Oh, yeah.
Madam, you buy me camera phone.
Eventually.
I don't get camera phone.
I don't finally get
Buy
camera.
phone for this moment.
Women.
You go sell and collect 1K.
You are a bad.
They talk say girls and they always like boys, so you get camera phone. And because of that, I never get camera phone since now I make a day single. I go miss her. I will collect her.
They will collect your phone, though.
Fine girl. How you doing now? No worry, no stress. Calm down. You see, I just buy new camera phone. Okay. An iPhone. Look at. So I don't know whether if you put your number here later, I'll go chat for WhatsApp. Put your number. Last, you don't put your number.
I think
I be sure come back.
They have left you behind.
This guy no get sense, so. Just like
Hey
that.
babe,
How sugar?
how are you?
I'm good.
Babe, there's this new restaurant I want to try. I want to have special bread, mushroom sauce and shredded beef.
You are not this French food there.
So now I know I like red food.
Take your time.
Ah, really? Ah, thank you so much, babe.
Anything for you, baby.
Okay, I'm heading to the restaurant now. Hello, baby. Yes, I'm at the restaurant. The mushroom sauce is so nice. Like, I love it. Yes, I like it. Alright, then. I love you.
This guy no get sense. One chop mushroom.
Mom,
Now,
can I have the mushroom
Now, they
sauce?
sell me.
One mad.
This guy no get sense.
Injustice. They call me
That's so food they chop for this video. Thank Kobo. Almost seafood though. Only you want chop this.
I hate injustice. They call me thank Kobo. I don't like koala.
What is it again? What is it again?
I
take the locate me. Eh? Because of you now, I don't leave the place.
You don't the one shot though.
now. Eh? But what story I tell you? How many story you don't tell me since that day? I think they locate me, sir.
My brother, not be not the same story where we talk.
No, but I don't want to hear any story again today. Wow. I don't want to hear story. I'm tired of your story.
Eh? Which one be you are tired of my story? Story where I never even go have. You say they tired from my story. You're supposed to tire for my story. You understand? Okay?
Make you know beside the verse. Eh? Make I apologize.
Chop, now. You start to the chop.
Eh? My brother, this you don't need to apologize. You understand? So as they come like this now, accident happen for that junction. Oh. So as the accident happen, now we're going to try to find out who the accident happen. We know they see who they drive the motor. So now all of us constantly wait to. So now rats can come out from G-guard. Where we are suit with tie. You understand? So as the rat can come outside with tie and suit. Now the rat come the holler say is a barrister. Don't you know?
Excuse me, can I ask you something? Yeah. Please, how much can I pay you? May we end this story.
Brother, if I finish the story, I go end up. No need to waste money. So now the rat come begin the holler say is a barrister. The person where him and get accident never even come down from motor. So small time now the other person waiting for the other motor come be saying a foul. You understand? The foul wear tear jeans as a rugged boy. Yeah, so the come begin the holler say, come on for road, don't you know that I am going to somewhere important? You know, now they come begin the quarrel.
And they can't stop it.
As the quarrel, person come they cry inside the motor. He come be saying the wife of the fowl. Now they cry inside motor and she get better. So now the man come the holler say, why are you holding me? Don't you know that I'm taking my wife to hospital? So as the rat come they complain and saying they go court, saying get case for court. You understand? Say why go hit the motor, saying go repair the motor. As they talk the thing, now the wife of that fowl where they want carry go hospital can't go bomb picking inside the motor because he dey inside level they do am. Now she can't go bomb picking inside that place. As the bomb begin, now the husband, the one who wear tear jeans, come they complain. Say you make my wife born inside this place. As they complain. So now the rat can go collect the picking where the fowl born. We don't even know say the rat carry gas and toy. Before you know it, you don't go collect the picking where the fowl born. Fowl begin fry and the chop.
Say, wait, rat carry gas, fry picking chop. See your story.
Hey, so now as you chop the
funny, we no this threat.
As you go fry and picking chop, now the that fowl way we are tear jeans can say, you go summon the rat to court. Now the rat can say, okay, no problem. Claim that court, made it go. You understand? So as they do, now pussycat come from nowhere, come from outside. As the pussycat comes, the pussycat carry offer. You understand? So now the pussycat comes in the native doctor. So there's no point made they go court. So made them go in shrine, go settle the matter.
Okay, can you be fast with this story? Can you finish this story? This food is getting cooler. Can you let me eat my food?
Now you know one chop. Okay, chop.
Please.
Chop.
It is smoking.
Now the pussycat saying be native doctor. They made them go in shrine, go settle the matter. As they go to the shrine to go settle the matter, now the pussycat can say, okay, the gods want fowl. You understand? And say they go need to sacrifice to the gods one fowl. Now the rat can say, okay, no problem. The fowl when we are tear jeans, can't tell him wife say like this now. Say they need to do justice. Make them sacrifice one person. You understand? So before you know it, meanwhile, their motto still there for where the accident happened. Oh. So now they gonna call one goat. The goat saying be 2 van person. Saying go need to go to the motor come shrine. You understand? So as the goat can go to the motor come shrine. Nine the chief priest gonna say, okay, say as goat don't come. So they need to brother Ito.
As it stands now, I don't lose appetite.
Why?
Which kind of story they tell me?
But the story why they tell you now, what happen now they tell you. You understand? So as I talk to you now road safety people now come begin to online. You get? So the beginning of the rat come they say na him papa na him get the G-Wagon. You get? So as they talk it now magistrate come call for phone. Come call the rat, say they never see him for court. Say the applicant they wait, you know. Now the rat come say okay, say like this now, but then suspend the case. So that thing go
eat again. Okay? Finish the food, I don't pay them. But make sure this story end there to do.
Oh yeah.
Finish the food. Because the next time, when you carry this, I don't need the story again. You don't like me. Keep the story to yourself.
So now as we go go, my go.
Maybe I go use this opportunity to go eat somewhere else.
What are you running? They not tell you. As we go my go. Now all the whole snake come outside, stand for road. Say they do road block. So as all the whole snake come say they do road block. Nine goat come say one they do road block. They say one of the snake say he go climb tree. 9 goat push him, he fall for ground. He break waist. So as he break waist, thunder away fire, you idiot. So now Sabinus story you want to hear. You go hear story today. You go where? I hate injustice. I don't like her.
Nigerian men in year 2010.
I think I like it.
Whatever you want. Do you want more time?
No, don't worry. I'm okay with this.
Oh, you can have whatever you want.
Sabina. So now yeah, you they chop, they drink a bit. You get mine though. You get please, Sabina. I swear to God, you must pay my money today.
Young lady.
Oga.
What is the problem?
Oga, this girl a very wicked girl. This girl they owe me money for over 2 years. Now they owe me 200,000. Not be wickedness with that.
Sabina, is it true?
Hi. You must pay my money. Keep quiet.
What is your account number?
024
Yes.
430
Yes.
1225. GT Bank. Alright.
I just sent you 300,000.
Oh.
Keep the
300K.
from me.
Talking about me while I'm making money. I'm not gonna take it easy on my head. Not gonna take it easy on my head.
I think this thing go what? I don't know if you have the money now. Now you're sharing this. 150K. Wait. Just hold on. I get another date. I will send you address. Another parole. Another one now. Oh, I will send you address. Oh yeah.
I haven't planned myself. Nigerian men.
They drink and you owe me money for 2 years now. Sabina, you be wicked girl. Sabina, you must pay me my money.
How much is the money?
100,000.
I'm not really whole right now, Sha, but I feel support you with like 50,000. It's supposed to be my rent, though.
Thank you.
Yeah, but I can make a sacrifice for love.
Nigerian men in 2024. See me where you meet, Mr. Live.
So now you dey hide, Abi. Now here you dey sing.
Calm down now. Let me understand. What is the problem? What's going on?
This guy don't dey owe me money for over 2 years now. 50,000 naira. Which kind of wickedness be that one?
Wow.
Need to pay my money.
God have
Momo don't disappear. Guys, hope you like this video. Because if you didn't like it, man, I be say you don't understand anything. Thanks for sticking to the very end. You understand? And if you are coming across my channel for the very first time and you're yet to subscribe, but you didn't miss, so make sure to subscribe. Drop nice comments, guys. Drop nice comments. And check out other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. So many videos on my channel. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.